7 Easy Tricks to Save Money Faster in 2022. If you're looking to save money on day-to-day expenses, there are a variety of simple ways to cut down on costs. Everyday expenses, like food and transportation, can add up over time. If you trim from your budget, you can end up saving hundreds of dollars per year. From saving on food and shopping to reducing monthly bills, making small changes can add up to a big difference in savings. Here we listed 7 easy tips to save money. 1. Keep track of expenses. The first step to saving money is awareness. Knowing how much you spend on a periodic basis will let you know things like things that you can stop buying, how much of your earnings are spent on expenses, the possible savings that you can have in a month and year. Thus, let's start with a simple task that will help you get an overview about how much your daily, monthly, and annual expenses are. This will consume only a little bit of your time for the whole day. 2. Eliminate your debt. If you're trying to save money through budgeting, but still carrying a large debt burden, start with the debt. Not convinced? Add up how much you spend servicing your debt each month, and you'll quickly see. Once you're free from paying interest on your debt, that money can easily be put into savings. A personal line of credit is just one option for consolidating debt so you can better pay it off. 3. Cancel any unused subscriptions. Subscriptions are a money-making dream for a lot of companies. This is because once a customer subscribes to their service, they're more reluctant to cancel their subscription even if they hardly ever use it. This, in large part, is due to the sunk cost fallacy. When applied to a subscription service, the sunk cost fallacy means that canceling a rarely used subscription is hard, as you've already paid so much money for it. Therefore, canceling the subscription would mean accepting that all the money spent on it up until that point has been wasted. But by delaying canceling the subscription, it still feels like there's a chance the service might eventually be used. If you found value on this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. 4. Designate a no-spend day once a month. To help make money saving a habit, nominate one day each month where, aside from your fixed costs, you'll spend absolutely nothing. This could mean making all of your meals from the ingredients you have at home, opting to socialize in the park or at home, and having a relaxing evening reading or watching the TV. Once you've gotten used to this, you could increase this to 2 days a month, and perhaps even 1 day a week to really increase your monthly savings amount. 5. Never make a purchase out of impulse. Impulse spending can add up, and it can rear its head in all kinds of situations. The threat of impulse purchases isn't limited to that clothing sale you came across at the mall. It can also include smaller purchases such as extra snack items you pick up at the grocery store, or even your last-minute decision to order a medium coffee instead of a small. Whenever possible, make a plan for your spending and stick to it. Even when you come across an item you want to buy, such as a new clothing item or a piece of furniture, walk away and give yourself time to consider the purchase. If you still want it a few hours or even a few days later, and if there's room in your budget, go for it. 6. Pay your bills on time. Some companies give their customers an early payment discount. That saves you money just by paying your bill on time. Others may have a late payment fee, which charges you more for paying your bill late. You can save money just by paying your bill on time. Simply set up an automatic payment for regular payment amounts, and your bills will be paid automatically every time on the due date. If you're paying by automatic payment, make sure you check your bills each month, in case you need to top it up or increase your regular payment amount. 7. Shop with a cashback credit card. Use a cashback credit card to earn more for everyday purchases. There are cards that pay you a certain amount of cash back on any purchases, no matter where you shop. Other cashback credit cards may reward you if you use them for certain purchases like gas, groceries, travel, and dining. If you have one of these cards, make sure you're using the one that gives you the most benefit at these venues and watch the cashback start to accumulate. Just be careful not to spend more than you can afford to pay off each month. Because the money you'll pay in additional interest will cost you more than you're earning in cash back. If you like this channel, please subscribe and write your thoughts.